The Furniture Lift Pro Mover Rollers makes moving heavy objects easier than ever. Whether you are looking to rearrange your furniture to add a fresh feeling to any room, or just find it necessary to move appliances without struggling, straining or hurting your back, the LiftFree Furniture Lift and Roller Set is the perfect tool for the job. The Furniture Lift Pro Mover Rollers are suitable for moving all kinds of heavy furniture and appliances around the home. Use them for moving your couch, dresser, refrigerator, washing machine, bookcase, piano table and more. The heavy-duty wheels make them easy to glide on any surface, from hardwood floors to carpets.